Students from across Illinois Eastern Community Colleges fired up their torches and their skills at the first intramural welding competition. Held at the Terry L. Bruce West Richland Center, the event brought together students from Lincoln Trail College, Olney Central College, and dual credit programs for a day of high-stakes, hands-on learning.
Obviously, anytime you can enter into a competition, it's fun for the kids, number one. And, we always want to make learning fun. But specifically, I think, in this industry and in this profession, this was vitally important.
Students faced off in two events, a plate test and a fabrication challenge designed to mimic real-world industry expectations. Each weld was reviewed by professionals working in the field.
One of the goals that we want to have is we want to include the ability to have competition and be able to go head-to-head against another student that's studying exactly the same subject you are, so you're job ready.
Beyond sharpening technical skills and making career connections, the event gave students a chance to push themselves and support each other in the process. During the competition, the instructors saw something special unfold, students stepping up not just for themselves, but for their peers.
One of the things I noticed today was my students really came together and was concerned about each other and helping each other out as much as they possibly could.
That sense of camaraderie and mutual respect turned a simple contest into something more, a meaningful step in each student's journey.
It let them kind of get a taste of the pressure that they'll have when they go to their first actual weld test to get hired on somewhere.
The competition gave students more than just a chance to test their skills. It gave them a clearer view of what it takes to succeed in the welding industry. For LTTV, I'm Chris Ford.